Staff Selection Commission has released the recruitment notification for the posts of stenographer under grade C and grade D. Let us check the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria will be considered from 1st August 2020. The age limit to apply for these jobs is 18 to 30 years for grade C stenographer, 18 to 27 years for grade D stenographer. The educational qualification required to apply for these jobs is intermediate. The candidates must have passed 12th standard or equivalent examination from the recognized board or university and also should have typing skills. The selection process involves two phases. Under phase 1, they will conduct computer-based examination. Under phase 2, they will conduct skill test for those who has qualified from the computer-based examination. The minimum qualifying marks required in the computer-based examination is for unreserved categories 30%, OBCs and economically weaker sections 25%, for all other categories 20% marks. The computer-based exam pattern will be like this. The questions will be asked from general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, English language and comprehension. The exam will be conducted from 29th March 2021 to 31st March 2021. The candidates who are shortlisted in the computer-based examination will be called for skill test for stenography, and the stenography exam will be like this. Vacancies are not mentioned in the notification. They will update later in the official website of SSC. Application fee is 100 rupees for general boys, and women candidates and candidates belonging to SC, STs, physical handicapped ex-servicemen are no need to pay any fee to apply for these jobs. Let us check how to apply online. Online application process involves part 1 and part 2. Under part 1, one-time registration. Under part 2, filling of online application for this examination. Before going to apply online, the candidates need to keep all these things with them to avoid any interruption in between the application process. That is mobile number to be verified through OTP and email ID that is also to be verified through OTP. They will send OTP to this email ID whichever you mention, and Aadhaar number. If the Aadhaar number is not available, use any ID proof number like voter ID, PAN card, passport, driving license, etc. And class 10th information about the board, roll number and year of passing, and disability certificate number if the applicant comes under this category. Under part 1 application process for one-time registration, go to this website ssc.nic.in website, click on register now link and fill these basic details, additional contact details and check the declaration so that the candidate will get the one-time registration number to the registered mail ID and mobile number. Under part 2 application process, candidate has to log in with the registration number as username and auto-generated password, and then change the password and log in again. On successful login, the basic details whichever you have filled in the part 1 registration process will be displayed here. Fill the required details asked in the application form and save the data. Recheck the filled details before final submit. Read the declaration, click on I agree button and then click on final submit. Then the candidate will get the OTP to their registered mobile number or email ID. The candidate need to enter one of these OTPs to complete the registration process. Let us check the important dates regarding this recruitment notification. The online application process starts from 10th October 2020 to 4th November 2020. Last date to pay the online fee is 6th November 2020. Scheduled dates of computer-based examination is 29th March 2021 to 31st March 2021. This is the official website of ssc.nic.in. Here you can find the official notification details related to stenographer grade C and D examination. To check the notification details, click on this one so that you can get the notification details. Whichever I have discussed in the video, all these are available here. How to apply application fee, centers of examination. To apply online, go to this website ssc.nic.in. If you have username and password, you can directly log in here by entering the username and password. If you don't have, click here register now link so that you can get this form. Here to get OTP, one-time registration password, to fill the basic details, additional and contact details, and has to upload the photo and signature so that you can get the one-time registration number, registered mail ID and phone number. After completing these 3 steps, you get the one-time registration number to the registered mobile number. After getting the one-time registration password, go to apply button. There you have to fill the application form to attend this examination. Click on apply button so that you can get this form. There you can find stenographer grade C and D examination 2020. Click on apply button. Log in with one-time registration number as username, auto-generated password. Login. After login, you can change the password and then re-log in with the new password and fill the application form. After filling the application form, recheck the details and pay the application fee and recheck the details before final submit. After final submission, you can get the OTP to the registered mail ID and mobile number. You have to enter that OTP to complete the registration process. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates. Click on subscribe button and bell button so that you can get the latest videos as notification. Thank you.